Hi, I'm Justin. I'm just outside the Smart Factory Expo, part of the Digital Manufacturing Week. It's 2018. It's been 2 days of a hectic trade show and seminars. Really enjoying the buzz and the hype that's coming from manufacturing generally. The buzz on the floor has definitely been about, old meeting new. So, traditional manufacturing companies adopting what are very advanced technologies now, but being adopted, such as AR, VR. We're seeing a big push on mobile. A lot of that directly to the factory floor. But we are also now seeing a push into after sales, particularly around service. And that really comes into this idea of servitization, that the products that we provide are no longer enough. And so we need to be providing services beyond that. In fact, the leaders such as Rolls-Royce, you don't buy the product anymore. You're basically paying as it's used. And that puts a big onus on product providers, manufacturers, to go beyond that initial sale and start to think about operation, start to think about customer intimacy, and also being able to connect directly to the users and the operators on a daily basis. So 2019, two big pushes really. We're going to see more AR, more VR, more mobile. That's the technology side. And we're also going to see this consumer push. And by that, what I mean is more connections to the end user. We're not going to just provide a product and leave it out in the field. We're going to actually provide a product, be connected to the user as well as the machine. And that's just going to bring many, many more opportunities for manufacturers to provide better service and, of course, hit the revenues in the right place.